Today's video, I am responding to a comment from one of my viewers. Stay tuned. So I am responding to a comment, actually a question that came up in my Prepping for Alaska or Packing for Alaska video. Harley Pan America Explorer asked, what tools did I bring with me? And I gave a quick response and I said the CruzTools kit, which I did. I brought that, but I also brought more. So as you can see in front of me, there's a whole lot more that I took with me, from chain maintenance, electrical parts, screwdrivers, tire repair kit, and an air pump. Let's reposition the camera and I'll go through everything that I brought. So like I said, I brought a tire inflator. This is actually the second one. The first one failed. So I bought this, hyper tough. So you know it's got to be good. I did change the connector to a 2-pin. So I used butt connectors and changed the end of this so it can plug into a motorcycle. Speaking of butt connectors, there's some larger gauge, and I have just a simple, cheap electrical tool. So it crimps, it cuts, it strips, and then it will cut different thread size fasteners. Next is the oinker, and this is something that I'm not going to do a video on because, well, I don't have a bike with a chain anymore. For any of you who've watched my video on the post-mortem for the Pan America, I was in an accident last fall and she was totaled. So though I still have this, and I'm probably going to just gift it to a friend, I'll go over how it works. There is a piece that goes around the neck of a chain lube spray can, nozzle that goes down in, and then it feeds down onto the chain. This kit also comes with additional nozzles that fit on the can and additional red pieces that feed down in. I also have a small screwdriver. I didn't end up using it, but never hurts to have one. And then I brought a tire repair kit. Now the kit, when I brought it, had one single use glue. So I went and I bought another set of multiple, but it's the old fashioned cord type just for temporary use. And that kit comes with a reamer for reaming the hole out, the insertion tool, and a knife for cutting off the tab at the end. All right, let's get into it. So this is the CruzTools set for Harley Davidson Pan America. It also works on other bikes, but these pieces are specifically laid out for the Harley Davidson Pan America. So let's go ahead and roll this out and go over what comes in the kit. So if you are unfamiliar with CruzTools, I'm going to put a link in the description so you can find this yourself. But more or less, it comes with everything you'll need. Pretty basic stuff. It has a quarter drive ratchet with quarter drive sockets, all metric. It has this adapter, which works for the axle nut on the front of a Pan America. So that's unique. Comes with some small blade fuses, duct tape, because you always need duct tape, assorted hex head drivers, small container of blue Loctite, and a regular size screwdriver. So it has P2 on one side and a P1 on the other. Both have a Phillips and a flat blade. Next are a series of metric Allen keys. Very helpful. A little bit of safety wire, some small zip ties, a tire gauge. I encourage everyone to have more than one tire gauge because I found that I have certain tire gauges that are more accurate than others. A set of vice grips, a set of adjustable. Of course, these are adjustable metric. A long extension along with the short extension that comes with the 1/4-inch drive. And then a series of 10, 12, 13, and 14 millimeter combo wrenches. So they're box end on one end and open end on the other. But the thing that's the most value about this cruiser tool kit are the axle wrenches. Now this also has a 22 millimeter, a 32, and a 14. But what is the most valuable is these sets. So this 36 millimeter is the side of the nut on the right-hand side of the Pan America, and this extension goes on so you have a little bit more of a lever advantage. The 32 is on the left-hand side, and that holds the axle bolt itself, or the axle itself, in place. So what I found is, and I did a couple of tests, that pretty much with most of my strength, this 36 millimeter, if I tighten it as tight as I could get it on the side of the road, it was right around the 100 foot-pounds that are required for the axle. And all of these pack nicely into this roll bag. And what I've done is I also put my electrical tool and that small screwdriver when I roll it up. Sorry, before you roll it up, you need to put this down. There we go. Now let's go ahead and roll this all up. And once rolled up, tie the ends. And there you have it, the CruzTOOLS set specifically for the Harley Davidson Pan America. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching today. I hope you got something out of it. I was incorrect when I responded to Harley Pan America Explorer that I only brought my cruiser toolkit. I brought a whole bunch more, and though I didn't need much of it, I didn't need the tire plug kit, I did use the electrical to modify the air pump, which I bought as a replacement for the one that failed. I hope you liked today's video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Please subscribe to the channel. I always need more subscribers. Hit the bell, you'll be notified of more content. And as always, thanks for watching. Go far with Brent.